Hey guys, it's the beginning of the month. It's December 1st. I wanted to let you guys know that if you hear humming noises in the background, I have a heating unit on right now because it's a tad bit cold downstairs and I wanted it to be warm, so I put a heating unit on. Anyhow, I'm feeling a lot better now that November's gone and over with. I don't know what was with November that had me such in a slump and mentally drained. We didn't do anything during the month, but things did happen during the month. I don't want to talk about them really. No offense to you guys. I was thinking about doing a little bit of cleanup. Maybe letting you guys come along with me while I'm cleaning up, but I don't know. I'm still nervous about my body weight, how I feel watching myself on camera. With my body weight, it's nothing that, like, against you guys or making me think that you guys would think me downly or badly or whatever the terms are for seeing my weight. I personally don't like to see myself in this weight, and so I don't like to watch myself when I'm editing, but I'm thinking about doing it anyways. I'm looking up recipes, easy to do recipes for cheap for dinners, because I haven't been really making dinners lately because Zach's like, we need to start eating healthy, so I need to start making chicken with just pepper and salt and veggies and rice. That's all. And now he's complaining that I don't make dinners. So I have to start making dinners again. So I want to make cheap plans for dinners and stuff like that. We went to Food City that just opened up next to us, and we bought groceries. Not much groceries, but it still almost cost us $200. So we just gotta be really careful. I'm still gonna go to Food City because we got the discount card now. And I got some plans, so I gotta try them out. I'm not gonna really film myself cooking dinner because it's upstairs where my roommates live, so I don't have a kitchen for you guys to be filming for you guys in anymore. But let's go and start cleaning up a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna be cleaning or what you're gonna be seeing me clean, but here's just some snippets of me cleaning. Hey, so, my computer did something strange yesterday. I don't know if anyone has experienced this, but it stopped. I guess it was charging for whatever reason. It's always on the charger. Shouldn't need a charge, but I guess it stopped charging and it went down to 95%. And it stayed at 95% even as the charger was on it, and says that it was remaining charge. So it wasn't going anywhere, which made me very confused and uncomfortable because I'd rather just have it at full charge. And I looked it up and they said, don't worry about it. Sometimes your computer does that to protect itself or protect its battery or whatever. And I never heard of that in my life. And I've had a lot of computers. And I've had this laptop for years and I've never experienced that. So, have you guys ever experienced that? It made me very uncomfortable. It's fully charged now. I turned it off after that happened. I just left it off for like the entire night. And now I'm back on the next day and it's fully charged. So I don't know what happened. Sometimes it does that where it doesn't charge because the back where the charger is plugged into the computer, it's loose. The wires are loose because it's always been bent. So the wires got kind of exposed. Sometimes if you hit it just right, it will stop charging. But it was blue the entire day, so I don't know what went on. Either my cat sat on the wires and it stopped charging for a short bit. Other than that, nothing much going on. I just wanted to ask you guys about that because I found it strange. Tell me if you guys experienced anything like that. Excuse the wetness under my eyes. It's eye cream. I'm testing out some eye cream for Influencer from Neutrogena. It's called Hydro Boost and Caffeine Eye Gel Cream, fragrance free. So I'm testing it out for a month so I can do a review on it on Influencer. I'm currently, just to let you guys know, so you guys understand the media that I'm doing, playing Far Cry 6. I've played it for like a year now, and on and off, a lot of off. And I finally got back into it and I'm close to the end, so I'm trying to beat it. I really want to play Assassin's Creed Valhalla right now, but I'm trying my hardest to beat this game just because I never finish anything and I want to start finishing things. It's going to be my no goal of the year, but I'm going to start it now. So I'm trying my best to beat Far Cry 6. Very hard. I got stuck at one point. I'm on the mission Lion's Den. At least I'm supposed to be on the mission Lion's Den, which is close to the end. But I didn't realize I was missing some missions before this one, and it won't start up until you finish all the main operations. So I got really confused for like a day or two. I was like, why is this not kicking in? Is it a glitch? Do I have to start the game all over? Fortunately, it's just because I missed an operation, and it leads to more operations that need to be done before the main missions can be finished. So there was that. I'm watching, what I'm doing with watching TV, because I have so much to watch on Netflix and Hulu, I'm falling behind so badly that I'm watching Hulu one day and then Netflix the other day and then Hulu and then Netflix, Hulu and then Netflix. Currently I'm on Netflix watching, I'm going to go through the movies first because it's just faster. So I'm watching all the movies on Netflix that I can today before I get on Far Cry 6, which will be around like 4 o'clock. It is currently 2:23 right now. And just hope for the best. Because I want to get through as much as I can. I got a lot of K-dramas I need to watch on Netflix, and a lot of really random stuff on Hulu to watch. So I got a lot of stuff to watch. I was putting it off to the side for so long. Excuse the barking. I don't know what she's barking at. I looked at the camera. There's nothing here. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that that's what I'm doing. I'm currently watching Prisoners on Netflix, which is a 2022 movie about two girls who got abducted. Don't think it's based on a true story. But it's good so far. I'm only 42 minutes in. I can't see that far without my glasses or my contacts in. And I still got like an hour and 15 minutes to go. and I gotta finish it before 4 o'clock, so I gotta get back to doing that. I'm going to work on the vlog right after this and charge up my camera because it's halfway dying, and figure out what to start filming again. We have other things going on with our life right now that are making me super stressed, but I can't talk to you about it right now. I'm going to talk to you about it after it's fixed, and I know it can get fixed. I just have to wait to that point. So I will tell you guys about that later on, if I'm comfortable enough to talk about it, and if it gets fixed. Most likely it will. It should. It better. So that's what's going on. See you in the next part of the vlog. I am wearing the same shirt I wore in the beginning of this video. It is clean. I wash my clothes every Sunday. I just really like to wear my flannels lately because they're long sleeved and I don't have many long sleeve shirts. So I often wear them over and over again throughout this chilly month. So that's why I'm wearing the same shirt as the beginning of this video. Today is Saturday, the 17th of December. We are having a Christmas party with all of our friends who play D&D with us, which is quite a few people. And we bought a present for each one of our friends. But we're going to drop the kids off at their grandparents' house. Not my kids, the roommates' kids. So we can all drink tonight without having to worry about kids coming out of the bedroom. They're going to be dropped off at their grandparents' house. And then we're going to go to Food City, pick up a ham, cream soda if they have cream soda. And we're going to make a whole bunch of food. We're going to have ham, obviously. I'm making mashed potatoes. Jesse's gonna teach me how. I've never made mashed potatoes before. Don't grill me, guys. I never made mashed potatoes before. So this is gonna be the first time I'm making them. I'm making it her style because her style tastes really good. Like, so even if I knew how to make mashed potatoes, it's a whole different type of mashed potatoes that I've never made before. Or other than eating here, I've only ate here before. So I'm very interested in how that's going to turn out. So it started freezing over a little bit, like, since Friday. Today is Monday. So today's the 26th. So Friday of last week it started freezing over. And then our AC decided to stop working. Luckily it stopped working on Saturday or Sunday, one of the two. I don't remember which one. I think it's Sunday. So yesterday stopped working. And we found out because the technician or the AC guy came and checked it out. Found out it was a breaker box and that we had a bad breaker or weak breaker. So we fixed that. So our bills are going to be very high this coming month. So I'm not happy about that. If you hear chewing in the background, that's Tyr. He's eating an ice cube. Although it's freezing in here. We did enjoy our Christmas Eve. That's when we celebrate Christmas mostly. It's Christmas Eve. I got presents. I want to do a what I got for Christmas video, including a my goals that I'm gonna be having for next year. Hopefully I have both of those videos up before this video's up. Probably not because I have to film tomorrow. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film tomorrow because I don't know. We'll have to see. Either way, I'm going to try filming tomorrow of those two videos, and hopefully I'll edit them and have them up before this video is up. Or at least one of them up before this video is up, because this one has to go up on the 31st or the 31st of December and or 1st of January. I got a budgeting book, see, by Clever Fox. I'll show you a little bit of it. Let me just get to a page that's not written in. Looks like this. And it has more pages connected to it for each month, if I can get it to flip open. And then in the expenses, it's pretty cool. I wanted it because if I put in my regular journal, I'll forget about it. So I wanted to make I want to get my own budgeting journal so I can pay more attention to it. But we did spend time with my sister, both Christmas Eve and Christmas. Our car made it through the cold. I had to drive the entire time. So Zach was being lazy. That's okay. He usually drives to work and stuff like that, so it's okay if I drive occasionally. But we need gas, and it's cold outside, and I'm gonna make him get the gas, because I don't want to get the gas. What else? Merry Christmas to all of you, and Happy New Year's. Hopefully this video is up on December 31st, so I can actually make that mean something. And, that's all that I have to say for this video. I don't have much to say. Then I will be filming a couple of videos. I have to review some makeup products that I got from Influencer. So, I don't know if I'll be back up on here. Probably, because usually when I film, I usually come on and tell you guys. Hey guys, I'm all makeup done because I just filmed 2 videos for you guys. Hopefully one of them will be up before the end of the year, and hopefully before this vlog is up. But this is going to be the end of the vlog. I just wanted to wish you all belated Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays, and I hope you guys set some good goals that are not too hard for you to do for the new year, otherwise you might get stressed out and we don't want that. So thank you for watching me for this year. I appreciate it. If you're any new subscribers from this year, thank you for subscribing. I just love you guys to death. I appreciate you guys so much, and hopefully we'll have new subscribers in the new year, and I hope they enjoy my content as well. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful New Year's.